description. Listen and choose the statement that best describes what you see in the picture. 1. A.
The man is eating caviar.
B.
The women are holding wine glasses.
C.
The party is almost over.
D.
The women are dancing on the stage.
Two. A. The car is parked on a street corner. B. The bike carries more than one person. C. The bike is beside the rack. D. The motorcycle is being moved to the factory. Three. A.
He is looking at his friend in the locker room.
B.
He is wiping his face with the towel.
C.
He is putting shaving cream on his face.
D.
He is looking at himself in the mirror.
Four. A. The city skyline consists of tall buildings. B. The wooden structures are blocking the view. C. The buildings have been left abandoned. D. The stars are shining over the buildings. Five. A. The elevator is full of people. B. People are on the escalator. C. The escalator is out of order. D. People prefer to use the stairs.